Hi students, how are you? I welcome you in CamScope. Our today's topic is reactions of alkene. There is sigma bond in alkanes, but pi bond in alkenes. Pi bond is very reactive because it's formed by parallel overlap of the orbitals. It has pi bond that is very reactive bond. In a sense, its electrons are above and below the line joining two nuclei. So alkenes are reactive group of compounds. Because alkenes are unsaturated, we do the hydrogenation to get saturated compounds and other addition reactions too. Here we will discuss basically three types of reactions for alkenes. First one will be uh, addition reaction at double bond. Addition reaction. We will add some halogen or we'll add hydrogen, we'll add halogen acid, we'll add hypohalous acid or sulfuric acid. All these are addition reactions. The other one, reactions with oxygen are called oxidation reactions. In oxidation reactions, we will discuss first of all its combustion and then catalytic oxidation, and in the end we will discuss its hydroxylation also here. Along with we will discuss hydroxylation, and in the end we will discuss ozonolysis as far as oxidation reactions of the alkenes are concerned. In the end, we will discuss the only reaction, that is polymerization in your syllabus, polymerization of alkenes. These are the reactions that we are going to discuss for alkenes. First of all, we will discuss addition of hydrogen. There are so many additions. You can add hydrogen, you can add halogen, you can add halogen acid, you can add hypohalous acid, even you can add sulfuric acid, and you can add oxygen in presence of catalysts like silver oxide at high temperature. You get epoxides. The first one is addition of hydrogen. This reaction is also known as or called hydrogenation. Addition of hydrogen is called hydrogenation. When hydrogen is added to an alkene, we get a saturated compound called alkene. In hydrogenation, we add a hydrogen molecule at double bond position. You must know hydrogenation is an exothermic reaction. Hydrogenation is an exothermic reaction. Large amount of energy is released, 120 kilojoule per mole per double bond. This is called hydrogenation energy. This hydrogenation energy is also used to measure the stability of benzene. We will discuss this topic later on. The catalyst used for hydrogenation. are catalysts used for hydrogenation are first one we will discuss nickel and how it is used, and then platinum and why it is not frequently used, and in the last we will say we can also use palladium as a catalyst as far as hydrogenation is concerned. Usually we use nickel. What is Raney nickel? We use in fact Raney nickel. It is nickel aluminium alloy. When it is treated with caustic soda, that is your NaOH, and water, in the presence of water we get this nickel. This nickel is activated one. Now its reactivity is increased. Along with we get sodium aluminate and hydrogen. This nickel is called Raney nickel. When aluminium alloy is treated with caustic soda in the presence of water, nickel's activity is enhanced as a catalyst. In fact, nickel, transition elements have large atoms, and these atoms offer their surfaces for any substance to temporarily stay here at their surfaces, and then later on these atoms are shifted to double bond, especially when we are talking about hydrogenation. अब के बाद जो निकल है, now nickel can react at 100 centigrade and at mild pressure, that is 1 to 5 atm. Mostly alkene give addition reaction at this low temperature. Usually we need 2 to 300 temperature for hydrogenation. Now we write the first reaction of hydrogenation here, that is ethene. We add hydrogen at double bond. We are in the need of nickel as catalyst, and only 100 centigrade temperature is enough at mild pressure, that is 1 to 5 atm only. We get ethane, that is a saturated compound. This is unsaturated. Unsaturated you mean having double or triple bond, but this one is saturated, that is completely filled. Nothing can be added to this. Now all the bonds of carbon are occupied by atoms. Okay, now we take propene, and again we add hydrogen to it in the presence of nickel. We get another alkane, that is a saturated compound. This hydrogen is added to at this double bond. Now we discuss hydrogenation of benzene. We know there is alternate double bond in benzene. There are 3 double bonds, so 3 hydrogen atoms are added to benzene and we get cyclohexane. This is our saturated compound. Now we discuss why platinum is not used. Although reaction takes place at 25 centigrade, then why we don't use it? When we use platinum, reaction takes place at only 25 centigrade, but this one is a costly metal, even 2 times costly than gold. So this metal is not used. Usually we use Raney nickel, that is activated nickel. Now we discuss the importance of this reaction in industry or in laboratory. Where we use this reaction in laboratory or industry? In laboratory, this reaction is used in laboratory. This reaction is used for quantitative analysis. Is used for analytical purposes and those are quantitative. Secondly, we use it in industry to convert vegetable oil into vanaspati ghee or banaspati ghee. This is how we do hydrogenation, and this is importance of hydrogenation in laboratory and in industry to convert oil into vegetable ghee.